crazy maniac in his car trying to kill us. That's what I'm gonna name it now. Wait, is my car locked? It better be.
Crazy maniac in his car trying to kill us. That's a great name.
Is this his house?
Yeah.
He has kids? What?
What? What?
He was closing his garage and I squeezed myself in and the garage almost crushed me. But I managed. Yes, I'm in his house.
Oh my gosh, I saw his car. He's coming up the main road.
No, he's not. He's in his house.
Wait, what? Where were you?
Oh, never mind. Not the same person. I was harassing the wrong person.
Oh my gosh, I knew that was his car. That's his car. I see it.
I just saw it go.
Go.
I'm going.
Hurry up. You're
What
slow.
is my speed at? 70.
Mine's at 100.
Yeah, I know. I can't go to 100.
Where'd you go, little rat-faced idiot? Dumbhead.
Split up. I'll go straight. You go left.
I'm in an unknown world right now.
I saw him. He's going back up the street, like to the houses.
Yeah.
I'm gonna bash into the wall. He's going up the wall.
He got out of his car.
Where is he? He's back in his car. It's blue.
Yep. Die.
Bro, stop changing your car. It's not doing anything.
Yeah, really.
No, get off my car!
He's trying to get in your car.
Yeah, no kidding.
Oh my gosh. No, his child is in
Oh,
my
guys,
car.
comment down below if you like Brookhaven videos, Bloxburg videos, or Squishmallow videos the best. Because one of our Squishmallow videos got 400 and something views.
I'm kidnapping his child.
And if we can get more people to watch this, that is awesome. So tell your friends about our channel. I'm sure they will laugh when my teacher in 4th grade, shout out to her, my favorite teacher, she let us show like our YouTube channels if we had one. And so I showed ours, and I showed the video when Leah had booger hair, and we were trying to like jump up and get onto the like bedrooms in one of the houses.
These kids are chasing me.
I know they're chasing me too, and they're multiplying. There's so many of them.
There's one in my car, and then I told them to get out.
Yeah,
and then his brother started chasing me.
A lot of kids in my class laughed when I showed the videos.
How many kids ever say that?
Swan! He doesn't even have a wife. How does he have this many kids? This doesn't make sense. Swap it. Swap it. I'm gonna run you over. I'm gonna run you over so hard.
Oh.
No, you're upstairs.
I get it.
Bash into your car too.
Your car is in
Leah,
the
come on,
garage.
come on, come on.
What?
In front of his house.
Where is his house? I don't know where the house is. Where's his house? The one with the children?
Yeah. Ah, he's in my car. No, it was a kid. Stupid kid.
Get whoever's in your car out of your car.
They're out of my car. No,
Do it.
look. Jay is in my car.
Who is
No, he's not. Jay, 12 years. They're running away.
Get him!
They're at another house. Okay, they're going down the gas station way.
They're very active. I see him.
Fine. Let's go.
You idiot. You betcha.
Was that you who just hit into me?
Yes.
Change your car. It's too similar to his car. You go the bank way. I'll come up here. Okay, there's no one
What,
here.
bankway? What? Oh. The side of the bank.
I'm like, am I at max speed? This doesn't feel fast.
Someone's shooting people. Where is that little breakfast?
This is ridiculous. Girl, shut up. Oh, great. Bunny girl's in my car.
Oh, she was in my car. She was the one who tried to steal it. I'm getting a truck. Yeah.
Oh yeah, me gonna get a big truck. Girl, quit it.
I looked at something.
Girl, seriously, leave me alone.
If you see an orange truck, it's mine.
Make it like a bright orange, loud. Stop following me. Stop. Stop. Stop it. Girl. No. Go into the subway so she can't find me.
Why are my stupid lights on? Shut off.
Get in. Sit down. Where am I going?
I don't want my stupid lights on.
Houses.
Where are you?
I'm going to the city? Houses? Downtown? Don't know what these mean.
Is it the one with the building?
Yeah, the buildings. What is that? Houses? The city.
I think that's how.
Okay, I'm good. I can
Or
get
town
a
hall.
downtown station. Oh, so I'm right back where I was. Thanks. That's
Good.
great. Okay.
Okay, hurry up.
What's
We
the
gotta
crown?
find
What's the crown?
this. Don't know.
What about the bird?
It's another station.
Oh, no kidding. Okay, let me out. Blackhawk Station. Let's go. Where is this? Okay.
I gotta find those girls, children, and kidnap them.
But what?
Nothing.
Okay, what's the biggest car I can get? Oh, come on! A truck is bigger than that. Oh, come on.
Of course the truck is bigger than that.
No.
It is.
Shut up. No, I got a fire truck.
I found the dude's house.
Okay.
The dude that we're killing.
Okay, let me
He
get
has
a
a wife.
truck.
Kids.
No, I want a truck. Giant truck. Get in. Okay. No, that's too minty. Nobody likes mint. Yes, I do. Okay, that works.
He has a kid.
No, it doesn't. That is white. That is white. Scottish white. Like me.
This kid's trying to get my car.
That is not orange. That is red, child. You were bashing into me. Whoa, you're fast.
I'm at 100.
Only 30 more than me. Watch out, kids. Oh, great. Now Madison's
Don't
in my
let
car.
you get run over.
Why should the kids suffer? She jumped out of my car immediately, so that's good. I need gas.
I just killed myself.
Thank you. Fuel my car, please. Okay. Is that your car honking?
Because there's a family living on the road.
I almost overfilled my car. No, I don't want you back here. You're overfilling my car. Stupid. Okay. Maybe I should go through the wash just to make it nice and shiny. Because when stuff's shiny, it goes extra fast.
What?
I don't know. It actually does stuff now. It has bubbles. Ah, he's saying get in.
Who?
Find his stupid car.
I know where he lives. He lives at the Madison Beach. Madison Lake. Whatever.
Are we taking the subway? No, because then we might lose our cars.
But we can just respawn him.
You're going the wrong way if you're trying to get to Madison. What? You can get a house here?
Yeah, if you have premium. Different premium.
Like, so you have to buy a pass to get a house here?
Yeah.
Okay, that is so worth it.
Yeah.
No, I'm gonna get that. And
Yeah,
then,
me too.
No, just me. Because then we can, like, live together. Because we always live in my house together. Okay.
You didn't know I was coming. Here.
And plus, you already wasted your money on the fast pass. Oh, shoot.
You left.
No, I didn't. I'm on the side of his house. That scared me so much. He popped out and then banned me. Oh, this girl's face.
You just got banned, really?
Yeah. Terrified me, though.
Oh my gosh.
I'm going on the subway to get my truck back. Because I forgot my truck. I think this is...
Why don't we just spawn it back?
Lake Madison Station. Because I need my truck back. You gotta be realistic here. Oh my gosh, it's on the other
Why
side.
are all of his lights off and curtains closed at daytime?
So we don't get in.
I love this.
Shush. No, come in. Shush. I will not be shushed. Zhuzh. Zhuzh, zhuzh. Zhuzh.
Why do you hate me?
Blow up their house.
Being their car and blow up their house. Is that as far as you can go?
I can go right to here.
I do have a car. That's falling off a cliff.
Put me in the car and drive into his house. Let's go.
Well, I'm kind of stuck.
I'm soaked.
Your car doesn't
To my car.
I love this. I'm nice after fur.
Okay, drive. No.
Get out.
Wait.
Get out.
No. Wait. Come back out a bit. Okay, drive right into there.
Where?
That side, like over here. Yeah, in here. Yes. No.
Oh, man.
How does it do that? That's so unfair. Wait, I think I dropped a bomb like in his. Oh, I dropped it in the water. That's so unfair. Get me in a shopping cart and bring me in. Wait, just carry me all the way. Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
I'm
Carry me.
carrying criminals to this person's house. I think that she needs some milk because she's trying everything to get into this little.
Carry me,
You
please.
can't ban me. Hi.
Hi.
Oh, yeah.
This is so awkward.
This looks ridiculous.
Don't run away. Don't run away. Wait, don't run away. You messed up my perfect parking.
No thanks.
no, wait, Leah, wait. See if you can actually bring me in. Leah, bring me in. Bring me in, Leah, come on. I want to see if it works. Leah, come on. Stop. Oh, shoot. Come on. No, bring me in. I want to see if it works. Please, please, please. Leah, go. I'm going to shoot you. Leah, come on.
You missed a perfect breaking. That was a war. I love those hot
Come on, Leah, go. Run. Run.
No, you didn't ban me.
I think I spelled Chanel instead of channel. Go, Leah. Oh my gosh.
What's he doing? I told you.
Help. Mommy.
Girl, all you can do is shoot my leg.
I can shoot her. I can shoot down there. Leah, if you go into his house, I can't fit his car in his house. So go.
And she also doesn't fight.
Come on. Let's go. I want to see if I can get in. Yes. Get in his house.
I
Get in.
can't.
You dingbat. You were too slow. Now we have to go to the subway and get our cars back. Oh, wait, no. I'm still good. Run! Bomb.
Yeah, let's keep doing that.
Oh, I'm scared now.
I'm going to like Maggie.
Wait, how did... Like, when I took a 4-minute video, it stopped and said I didn't have space. But now I'm taking a 20-minute video. And it's fine.
I'm terrified. It's so fine. I'm kind of nervous.
No, you didn't need to spin me around doing that.